Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my video. In today's video, this is the part that I promised you guys if we got 1 like or 1 view. So I'm going to be showing you how to I'm not going to be showing you how to make. I'm just going to be showing you the model. Um Go to the description, get this model cafe set and put it right here. Then you want to ungroup it and put it in the places that it needs to. If you want to do that, what I just did, do Control U. So put in the place, Control U. Oh yeah, I already have the stuff here because I made a video, but it didn't save. So basically, I'm gonna put it in the places where it's supposed to go. Start a pack, Control U. Dedicated storage, Control U, and boom. Now what I'm gonna do is make a little like stand for it. Now I don't want it to just sit on the floor. Okay, put it like that. You know, however you want. You can make it pretty if you want. I'm gonna leave these on the floor because I don't care about these. Oops. Alright. I mean, you can still pick those up, whatever. Right? So we're gonna test it now. We're gonna see if it works. I mean, obviously it does work. But I'm gonna show you guys the recipes for it. Alright. So, grab your cup. What you're gonna do is get water and orange juice, which gives you orange juice. You can do water. I mean, yeah, water, boiled water. And tea, you'll get black tea. You do milk, coffee, and ice, and you'll get iced coffee. You can do milk, vanilla flavor, and blender, and you'll get a vanilla milkshake. And then something plus something equal decaf. I forgot, but whatever. Water plus boiled equals boiled water. I forgot what gives you your decaf, but yeah. And I'm also going to show you guys how to make a new machine, if you guys are wondering. So to make yourself a new machine, I'm just going to copy this one. You guys don't have to, but what you're going to do is recolor this, go to sign, change it to, I'm gonna make it apple juice. Apple juice. Like that. I have to do this quick, right? So, right here, we have our script. This water right here means like, so you get the water, and if you touch the head, which is apple juice, it will change the name to apple juice. And it will make the apple juice visible and make the water invisible. Okay? You can change apple to whatever drink you want. I'm gonna make mine's apple juice for now, just for this video. Alright, so what you're gonna do is go to server storage, go to empty cup. You're gonna bring your empty cup to workspace. Here you can see it. Open it. Go to orange. Duplicate it. Make the transparency 0 so you can see it. Change the color to red or whatever color your drink is gonna be. In apple, or whatever your drink is gonna be, then change it here to whatever your drink is. And then rename it to apple. Then you want to make it invisible again. Oh sure, I don't need to do that. That's the wrong one. Orange. Yeah, rename it to apple, whatever. I already said that. right? Make it invisible again. Then you want to put it back in server storage, and then boom, press play, and now we have apple juice. Let's see. Okay, spawned in. We get our cup. We're gonna get water, apple juice, and boom, we have our apple juice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, slap that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Also hit that notification bell so you guys know every time I upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.